Hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for Three Blind Men and an Elephant. Claudia and I are here in Midtown Manhattan, delighted to tell you that Streets of New York is back. Our next workshop is coming up March 25th through 27th, a wonderful mixture of classroom instruction, peer review, and shooting on the streets of the greatest city in the world for the genre with like-minded people. If you're interested, hop over to www.3bmep.com/streets23. Space is quite limited. In the meantime, have a look at a taste of what you can expect.